Oh, hey, I didn't even see you. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through top 7 websites to make $100 per day in 2020. Coming next. So the first website I want to share with you guys, it's called Clickbank. You've probably heard about this website from other people as well, but what I'm going to share with you is a different strategy that anyone can use to make big money online with affiliate marketing and Clickbank itself. So what you gotta do is go to clickbank.com. It's gonna take you to a landing page similar to this. Once you go on there, click on affiliate marketplace. It's gonna take you to all the products that other people, the product creators, want you to promote as an affiliate. Whatever you wanna promote, I'll simply go to health and fitness. And the best way I found to find a product which is highly converting is simply sorting it by gravity. What gravity means, like how many people are promoting products. So the higher the gravity, the more people are promoting the same product and getting results with it. So let's go with, okay, I don't want to go with too much competition. I'll go with custom keto diet. It's going to take me to the landing page for the custom keto diet. I want to get the affiliate link, so simply click on the affiliate page. It's going to walk you through the entire thing. If they're giving you any resources to promote, a lot of companies that give you ads, banners, and promotional emails and stuff like that. So that's what you want to check on this page. And then to simply promote, click on promote. It's gonna ask you to create your account nickname. That's a nickname. No one's gonna see it. It's only for you to see it. And if you want to add any additional tracking IDs, that'll be that you can enter in here. So simply generate a hop link. So you need to have a nickname for the account, and then that's when you can generate a hop link. So you need to sign up for Clickbank. You gotta enter your banking information. It is safe to enter banking information in Clickbank. It's a huge company. It's been around since early 2000s, late 90s. So you can trust this company and get started promoting the products. The way I was gonna show you with Clickbank is by using Google Ads. Google Ads is by far the easiest way to get traffic to your promotional or affiliate stuff. So the second website I want to show you is, again, affiliate marketing with Amazon. It's called Amazon Associates. So simply you go to Amazon, sign up as an associate for Amazon, and start promoting their product. They give you anywhere between 3% to 7% on the products you promote for Amazon. So let's say if someone's buying $1,000 something from Amazon, you'll get the commission on $1,000, so that'll be $70 that you get from Amazon. So it's not a bad commission. You can start promoting by having an online blog, talk about reviews, talk about the product, review the products, and stuff like that. Let's say if you have any experience in dog niche, you love dogs, so you simply promote the products related in the dog niche. You talk about your experience with the dogs and dog food and stuff like that. People are gonna come to your website because you know a lot more than a lot of other people online looking to get the same information. And once they click on your link to purchase a dog food or something else, you're gonna get the commission for that sale. Alright, the next website I want to show you is called TextBroker. TextBroker is basically a writing platform online. You can become a freelancer writer. You can write for the clients TextBroker has, and you get money to write the content for TextBroker's client. I'll show you the website for TextBroker as well. You simply type textbroker.com. It's going to take you to a landing page similar to this. Once you're on a landing page similar to this, you got to go click I write content. So once you go on there, you can simply click on this button, free author registration. Once you click on it, it's going to ask for your information, and then you can sign up as an author on this platform and start making money by writing content for other people. The next website I want to show you is called Fiverr.com. On this website, it's a freelancing website where you can sell your services. The services can be anywhere from logo design to website designs, SEO, social media marketing, virtual assistants, voiceovers, and a lot of other services that a lot of online businesses and entrepreneurs need. So on Fiverr.com, you can get started by clicking on Become a Seller. It's going to walk you through the entire step. You're going to have to create your listing, and then people are going to buy your services, and you make money from Fiverr.com. The next website I want to show you is, again, in affiliate marketing, MaxBounty.com. This is a CPA offer network. What that means is you get paid to get emails for this platform. So getting email is not difficult. It's rather a lot easier to get emails than to actually get people to buy someone's product. So simply go on maxbounty.com. You gotta click on Are you an affiliate? It's gonna walk you through the next application process. You're gonna have to fill out the application, and as soon as you're approved from maxbounty.com, you can start promoting their products and then start making money online. The next website I'm showing you is Flippa.com. There are a couple different ways you can make money with Flippa.com. The first way is simply going on Flippa.com, looking for websites that are actually making money or taking off. So this is a platform where people sell websites, online businesses, and domains and other stuff like that. So what you need to do is, if you have some cash laying around, you can go on this website, look for the websites or blogs that have been there for last a year, 8 months, 9 months, making a little small cash. It shouldn't be a big cash. Let's say if they're making $100, $50 a month, but that kind of proves that this works, their method works, their website is already trusted by Google. That's what you need. You're gonna be cutting that 12 or 10 months period out by simply paying for that website. It can cost you anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 for that website. That website is going to come with content and other stuff, so you can simply work on a website, make it better, and start making more money with the website. If you don't have that kind of cash laying around, what second method I suggest is creating some blogs, working on them, getting them to, let's say, $100 a month, $500 a month. That's not hard to do it, and listing those blogs on this platform to sell and cash out on them. Again, it's Flippa.com. You can simply sign in and then look through all the listings and see what kind of websites are actually making money and what the people are doing to make money. And if you have cash laying around, I suggest getting a website, scaling it up, and flipping it for more profit in future. I'd say next 12 to 14 months. The final website I want to show you is you can get started even if you don't have any money, like many of the other websites. It's called Rev.com. On this website, you can perform different services. Services range from transcription, captions, or it can be foreign subtitles or translations. On this website, you can get started by scrolling down to the bottom and clicking on freelancers. Once you click on freelancers, it's going to take you to a website or a web page similar to this. On this web page, you can enter your information and get started. You're gonna have to do a simple test where they're gonna give you an audio file to transcribe. They just want to make sure you're a good fit. You're not gonna waste your own time or their time in this process. So that's why they have an entry test to make sure you can actually understand and perform transcription services. What the benefit of working with this website is you get to make your own schedule. You can choose from thousands of different jobs, and they pay you every week via PayPal. So there are different price ranges or pay scales for each of these services. Transcriptionist, it starts on the low end to 24 cents, and it can go up to 90 cents per audio or video minute. For captioners, it starts a little higher at 45 cents, and the high-end scale is 75 cents per audio or video minute. And if you actually know a different language, you can make a little more money. It's between $1.50 to $3 per audio or video minute on this website. Again, you can simply get started by going on rev.com/freelancers. You're going to have to enter the information. You're going to have to fill out the test, and as soon as you're approved, you can start making money with this website. Just want to recap the websites I showed you today. The first website I showed you was Clickbank. You can make money with Clickbank by promoting products. And once you're promoting products, like, you need to know where you're getting traffic from, where you promoting the product on. So the simplest way to promote products is Google Ads. If you have $20 a day budget, or even $10 a day budget, you can still make money with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. The second website I showed you was Amazon Associates. So again, it's an affiliate marketing platform for Amazon. A lot of people in the US alone, 60% of the population has Amazon Prime. So that's a lot of people buying every single day from Amazon.com. You can simply promote the products and then get a piece of that pie for yourself. The next website I showed you was TextBroker.com. That's a writing platform. If you like writing, if you were good at writing in school, that's a platform you want to check out. You simply go on TextBroker.com, click on I write content, and you can sign up as an author for the platform and start making money. The next platform I showed you was Fiverr.com. Again, Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform. You can go on there, sell your services. Services can range from anywhere between logo design to voiceover to blog articles, writer translations, transcription, a lot of different services, because a lot of businesses and entrepreneurs are going on this platform to hire these service workers every single day. You can get started by going on Fiverr.com and clicking on Become a Seller. The next website I showed you was MaxBounty.com. It's again affiliate marketing platform where you get money by collecting emails for this company. Again, the next website was Flippa.com. You can either buy businesses online, scale them up, and flip them, or you can start an online business, scale it up a little bit, and sell on this platform and make a huge payday. That's another platform you want to check out. The final website was Rev.com. This is a transcription services platform. You can go get started by going to Rev.com/freelancers, entering your basic information, passing the entry test, and you'll start making money with the platform. Alright guys, so these were all the platforms I can use to make $100 a day in 2020. But hey, listen, everything comes once you put in the work. Nothing comes for free. But you have a lot of platforms I showed you today. You're gonna have to trade your time for the money you're gonna make, and that's not a best way to get rich in the long term. What I suggest is building a business online. I'm going to be leaving a link to my best recommended training and education program to build business online. Again, check that link. It's the first link in the description below. You're going to have to enter your name and email to get access to that training. Again, check that link down below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions.